Hello, and welcome to another update on FET. This is our Fetch AI chart here at the moment. And on the FET chart, the market is still grinding higher. We now actually have even a 5-wave move to the upside technically complete. So with a 5-wave move up complete, or at least technically complete, we can watch for pullbacks, okay? Now, especially now with 5 up, I mean, yesterday the price had 3 waves up here from the 6th of May low, but not yet an overall 5-wave move up, because now we've even broken above the 26th of April high, where the price topped at around 81 cents. So this gives us a complete diagonal pattern. It's even high enough, that 5th wave, to be considered completed. Basically, it can form a top at any point. That's the main aspect I want to double down on. But obviously, it's not the most healthy 5th wave yet. It is absolutely a reasonable 5th wave, and we now have to be ready that maybe this entire move up will get corrected, which would happen in an ABC structure. And as long as we're holding, let me just double check that. Yeah, as long as we are holding the 78.6 retracement at 42 cents, the overall upside reversal attempt from the April low remains intact. What we don't want is that the price breaks below that 42 cent level, breaks below it, and then will probably even break below the April low. That would invalidate everything. So yeah, the 42 cent level acts as a first warning. Does it mean we have to get there? We have to test it? No, it just means that's the main risk at the moment. In any B-wave pullback, the price could come down to that level, no problem. And ideally, we avoid a decisive break below. Now, in the very short term, though, because obviously we're dealing with a diagonal pattern and so on, and this year was a 3-wave move in wave 1. We have a 3-wave move in wave 3. And also the 5th wave is a 3-wave move, but it can turn into a larger 3-wave move, okay? So I just want to be ready for maybe another upside extension, especially as long as Bitcoin is holding its support. So do we know which one is going to be? No, I think it's good that we have a 5-wave move up, so we can be a bit more comfortable with potentially the outlook that FET could rally in, going forward, actually, over the coming weeks, coming months, maybe a rally into summer after an initial correction that might take a few weeks here, but then maybe continuation. But whether we get another high or not will probably, I'd say, to a large degree be dictated by the overall sector. So, for example, as long as Bitcoin is holding its micro support, the door to higher prices and further upside extensions remains valid. And we also have a support area that we can observe, and that is here between 68 cents and 77.6 cents. So as long as this is holding, there is no confirmation that the larger B wave has started. Okay, so this would be the nearest support area I can offer here, and there isn't even any indication, any strong indication we've started the decline into this support area. But if it happens, this would be seen as Circle B, which could then lead to a rally in Circle C and one more upside extension, no problem, towards 91 cents, maybe even the next upside level. Here we talk about 99 cents or even $1.09, but that's not needed. So if we now, for example, move down and we don't see that reaction to support, then the lower support area will come more into focus, and then we can probably narrow down where the correction might end as we get a little bit more price data. That's the update on FET. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.